Hi Weber fans, so today we'll be cooking a sausage sizzle with a twist. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. And don't forget everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so in today's video we're going to be doing a sausage sizzle with a twist. Once you've cooked your sausage sizzle like this, you'll never cook them any other way again. Now you can do this on a Weber kettle, you can do it on the Weber Genesis, and you can even do it on the Q as we're doing today. So what you're going to need is a medium direct heat. So what we'll do is get the Q lit and jump in and start preparing this sausage sizzle. Right, so we're going to start off with our beef sausages, and all we're going to do is just put a few holes in there, and this is purely for the flavour to infuse into those sausages. What I've got is 4 pieces of middle bacon, so we're just going to cut most of the fat off. You want to leave some on there because you want it to render. Now what you're going to do is make sure that you wrap these sausages nice and tight so they don't release, otherwise you're going to have to use a toothpick. As the bacon's wrapped around that with the holes in that sausage, it's going to infuse the flavour from that rub and that bacon into that beef sausage. Just make sure it's tuck in the end so you don't have to use any toothpicks. So it's time to get these on the Q. Now don't forget everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So as you can see, that sausage still turned out amazing with the flavour of that bacon and that rub infused into those beef sausages. It just turns out a treat, and the kids love it, especially with the cheese. You can put a bit of minced garlic on the top, and you could also put some fried onions on as well. Now like I said at the beginning of the video, just make sure you wrap those sausages nice and tight so they don't come undone. And what it does is it stops your sausages burning, and it infuses all the flavour from those bacon rashes and that rub into those sausages, and mixed with that cheese, it just tastes superb. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content and contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.